Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Studios. We are going to try to take this scooter that I had once put a gas weed whipper motor on, and we had a catastrophic failure, and we are going to put this 49cc brand new scooter motor or mini pit bike, pocket bike, monkey bike motor on this, and I'm not sure how the heck I'm going to do it, because I'm going to have to build a bracket and get those two sprockets in line with each other and get this motor bolted down. But the problem is I can't come off of this. I have to come off of the monoshock, or the shock where the sprocket's at. So the motor has to go up and down with the tire, not the scooter, because it has rear shocks. So I already have a bracket on here from my previous build with this. I have a throttle cable already running back here. I have kill switch already running back here. I'm thinking maybe another one of these brackets over on this side, and then some kind of a bracket coming up, over, and back down, and then I could bolt the motor to that plate and cut the slot out from where the chain comes in. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I have to round up some material. And it's 1 in the morning on Saturday night, so I'm not really going to pull out the welder and weld stuff. But yeah, this is a little project that it was an electric scooter. I took off all the electric guts. Has front suspension. This is the throttle. Has a brake. Nice drum brake. So that's already put together for us. Sprockets already put together for us. So we're going to try to figure this out. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching Old School Studios. Please hit like and subscribe. Have a good day.